A mid-size Rolex Datejust. For those that are unaware, that is going to be a 31 millimeter size. So it's right in that sweet spot for the ladies, a little bit too small for a man, but it is a gorgeous piece. Is the reason that I chose this piece was because of how beautiful it is. Not only does it have the mother of pearl dial, they're unique. They come from the oyster shell. There are no two that are ever going to be alike. This one does have subtle hints of green and purple that kind of reflect through. Of course, you'll get the grays, the whites, and the some purples actually are coming through on this one as well. Again, all unique. You'll never find another one exactly with this same kind of texture pattern and color scheme, if you will. Again, it does come from a natural ingredient. Of course, this bezel is going to be the full diamond bezel, and every diamond that you find from SwissWatchExpo came from the appropriate manufacturer. In this case, every diamond on this bezel, as well as the smaller diamonds in the 6 o'clock hour marker, came from Rolex.